This $21 beauty balm is doing over $3 million per month on TikTok Shop alone. This is a beauty balm by Medicube, which is one of the fastest growing K-beauty brands in the world. And they've completely taken over TikTok Shop, doing $3 million a month with just this $21 product, selling over 170,000 units in the last 30 days alone. And keep in mind, they've sold out of this product several times. Now, Medicube, as I mentioned, is one of the fastest growing e-commerce brands in the world. And if we take a look at their US site on Shopify, for example, we can see that they're driving nearly 1 million monthly visitors. And this is extremely steady traffic that is only growing more and more. Now, another very interesting thing about them, they're also running a lot of ads, over 210 different ads, in fact, on Meta. Meta is one of the most powerful advertising platforms in the world, and that's actually what my business prioritizes and focuses on. My business is called Akemi. I own a variety of businesses, but this is the main thing that I do is run ads, right? For a lot of brands, for some of our own brands, and we are doing very well actually, and always looking for new opportunities. But one of the interesting things they're doing on Meta, besides of course just running a lot of different ads, 210 active ads right now, and that's just on their page, right? That's not including other pages that they may be running from. One of the things they're doing is actually running ads directly to Amazon. So they're doing partnership ads to Amazon. Now, what does this mean? It means these guys are literally covering every single possible digital space for sales, right? Anywhere that you can shop for online stuff, these guys are there. And they are creating this insane amount of hype through TikTok first, but then the spillover everywhere else is just ridiculous. I mean, we can see just this one product here, which is not a product I've actually seen them advertise on TikTok Shop at all, is selling 30,000 units a month. Again, that's just one product. So what can we do with this, right? What can you do with this information? Obviously, this is all great, right? But if you're a business owner or an aspiring business owner, which are the two kind of crowds that I like to preach to here, what can you learn from this? Well, first of all, you can learn a very obvious thing that if you are everywhere, you're going to do very well, right? So if you're on TikTok Shop, if you're on Shopify, if you're on Amazon, you have more places where your customers can find you. But what is the other thing that you can learn that is actually really tactical and powerful? Well, it's actually just simply going and looking at these hooks, because this isn't just a product that found, its demand, right? There's a ton of demand behind every Medicube product, but there are some really genius things that these guys did here. And honestly, it probably wasn't even Medicube themselves, but their creators. So the creators themselves are genius direct response marketers. We can see, for example, this video here.
I understand why everybody's calling this a boob filler, because it's not. It's actually
That's the hook. So people are saying that this is like a boob filler. And the reason they're saying that is because this has a thing called, what is called volufiline, which is, the way that a lot of these creators are portraying it, it's basically a compound that allows for fat cells to be created or whatever. I don't even know exactly how it works, but let's take a look at their top video, for example, right? This is something that is super replicable. Of course, I'll say it, okay? You can replicate this stuff with AI. We're doing it at our agency. I mean, our agency is literally a team of 5, and we're spending 8 figures on ads. So, you can't really, do a ton of real creator stuff when you have such a lean team. But with AI, of course, sky's the limit. Now, that's controversial now, but in the future, this will be the norm, in my opinion. But creators are only going to become more and more valuable as well. So let's take a look at this video. I really don't understand why everybody's calling this a boob filler. That's a really good hook in this, where this product is at right now in the TikTok life cycle, because everybody's heard about it pretty much on TikTok. So she's talking to people that are product aware, right? People that already have seen this product. And, that is an instant, in the first 3 seconds, it grabs your attention because you're like, wait, what? Why are people calling it that, right? And then they got the little tag here. Suddenly I look 20 again at almost 40 thanks to Korean boob filler. Let's keep going.
Actually volufiline. I'm going to explain you.
Volufiline.
Volufiline is a really serious ingredient. It works on your
There it is.
cells.
So that's what I was saying before. This is the mechanism that is driving this level of hype. Is volufiline. That's so hard to say, because it basically allows volume, kind of like plumping, right? And that's what these girls want. but it's a new mechanism that nobody's heard of before, really. And so people are like instantly intrigued and trust that this works. It's like a new thing.
And make them bigger. Why you've seen this insane transformations of women and their huge lips.
This is actually so genius. Showing transformation of other people that use this kind of stuff is really smart.
They know how to use it. That's why us women, especially born before the 2000s, use it in the areas of our face that are losing.
And that was really good, calling out the specific avatar of women that are a little bit older.
Volume and making us look older, like hollow under eyes, deep.
And she does look extremely young, actually. I doubt that she's 40. Maybe she is. If she is, low key, you know, she's doing something really right because she looks very young.
Neck. The only thing I changed is the way I apply it, because I saw this girl here throwing her finger. I don't want that to happen to me. Literally, her finger got so big from applying this with her hand. So of course, Medicube had to put it all in a freaking stick. And it's not only volofulin. This has NAD, peptides, collagen,
wow,
retinol. So throw away all your...
Yeah, I mean, it sounds like a literally incredible product, right? Because they're mentioning all these other ingredients that people are becoming more and more aware of, which is really smart. And as you see, you know, this video alone has done $240,000 in the last 30 days, and only 56,000 of that has come from ads. So these guys are running all of these videos as ads. Very smart. This is also what we do at Akemi. We try as much as possible to repurpose content for ads, right? Organic content for ads. But as you see, everybody's repurposing this exact same hook, right? And it keeps working for all of these different girls. So that is really the main lesson that I want to get across today, is when you see a hook like this just absolutely printing, you will see tons of other creators replicating that hook and taking inspiration from one another. And then guess what? They're all printing. They're all actually getting results. So you can apply this at a broader scale, not just for this specific hook if you have a product in this category, but in general. This is just, it just goes to show how powerful doing research really is, right? Because if you find a hook that many people are using and it's working for everybody, you need to hop on that wave. There's no reason to not take that as a signal that there's something working in that specific hook or script. So that's pretty much what I wanted to get across. I also just wanted to mention more about Medicube because Medicube is such an impressive brand. I just love everything that they do. Everything they're doing is really brilliant. Obviously, some of you may think that, you know, disclaimer, right? Some of these ads may be uncompliant. Like, I don't even really know. TikTok Shop is still a bit of a Wild West situation, but, you know, they're totally crushing it. This one's interesting too. I want to look at this one because it's 10 seconds long. I love when I find these like really quick videos because they tend to be easy to replicate. Yeah, so this is really good, calling out filler appointments as well, because filler is like expensive, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure getting filler is really expensive. So, you know, this just instantly makes this feel like a complete no-brainer. So literally such a perfect product. It's popping off like crazy. And this is Calo Data, by the way. I love the Calo Data team. I've known the Calo Data team since literally they launched in the US. And I just love working with them. We've actually ran their ads before as well at Akemi. So that's another thing I want to mention. We're constantly looking for affiliate partnerships as opposed to just normal, you know, agency clients. I want, you know, uncapped revenue potential for our agency. Same as our e-com stores, right? That's the beauty of e-com, is that you can scale really as big as you want. And with an agency, it's the same way. But if we're a team of 5, you know, we can't be servicing 300 clients, right? That just wouldn't really make sense unless, I mean, maybe in the future somehow actually with different automations, you know, with Smart Reply, for example, like it can do all our customer service or something. I don't know. But there's a lot of interesting things here. Number one, you know, incredible hooks. Definitely go and take notes from their hooks and how they're just replicating each other's winning hooks, all the creators. Number two, be everywhere. If you can be on Shopify, if you can be on TikTok Shop, if you can be on Amazon, you have just way more touch points where customers can actually shop and you're going to make more money. And number three, I mean, yeah, just start making more content, testing more ads, and do more research, right? Get inspired by what other people are doing and use it to your advantage. Add your own sauce to it, but don't reinvent the wheel necessarily if you see something that is just completely crushing it. With that said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to support the channel in any way without paying me anything, just use some of the links in the description, like Calo Data. We actually have a code for them, 10% off. It's Akemi, Akemi, and also our Shopify link. Shopify is really generous with us, and I'm trying to continuously get deeper and deeper in the Shopify team because I just believe in the mission so much. And we have, well, yeah, we have just an amazing deal with them where you can actually get started for $1 a month. And that link is really supports the channel a lot. And the more you guys use my link, the more chances I have to even potentially meet the founder of Shopify, right? That's my goal right now. And I'm getting pretty close. I have a few insiders at Shopify that I'm in communication with. But yeah, those are ways to support the channel. And I hope that you found some value in this video. Medicube, insane stuff. Really crazy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.